Hello everyone, Namaste and Tashi and welcome back to my channel Chisangâձམ blog or Smiling Lama blog. Okay, and so guys, today I'm going to show you the video of how our Tibetan people they celebrate Zamling Chisangâձམ Universal World Peace Day. So I'm going to show you, and also it's my first time. I'm going to like see or I take a video also, because most of time the Zamling Chisangâձམ every year the same time of that Tibetan lunar 15, and then in 15 always we have a puja. So today I get a permission from our monastery, the leader, and then so our Tibetan people, the Tashi Palkhel Tibetan, the leader, and they also requested me, so I'm going to there. And then today is Zamling Chisangâձམ, and then tomorrow is His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama birthday. So guys, so now today I'm going to show you the Zamling Chisangâձམ how they celebrate. Okay, hope you will enjoy this video. Okay, ani lengke number sangma la tashi tele thangme shu an dene ngala kyapkyur na namge nabas sangma la ingtama tuji ani khenang nabas che dorang dring di video de ro ani dring video de dang azu Zamling Chisangâձམ chidang ngarang roena tan Zamling Chisangâձམ di Kade you know that they celebrate the Zego the Kandis you know thing alapshi me kasna ta chidang lot tak baji Zamling Chisangâձམ la so ta Zego ros yo parwa ina yang azu do ina ta Zamling Chisangâձམ ko ta baji bol so so ani di penda ngabegi 체중아 딱보다 체중을 기타 드링 체중으로 아니 뭐저 소바야 요래 아니 되진다 드링기 나랑기 비디오 되나라 아니 남았어라 Zamling Chisangâձམ 시장냠으로 아니 남았어 그게 안되네 상이 tomorrow 상이 아니 공사적이 중간지래 아니 라서 아니 남았어 드링기 Zamling Chisangâձམ 비디오 되시고 난 아니 정말로 독도 이거래와 유
Gracias.
guys, so just now I come back in my room, and then thank you so much for watching this video. And so if you like my video, so please don't forget comments in the video, and when I see your video I feel very happy, and then so that's why I'm requesting to you. And then so today the video is really blessing and wonderful day for me also. It's my first time celebrate Zamling Chisangâ짐 Universal World Peace Day, so with our Tashi Tibetan game. It's my first time, yeah, so it's really super and really blessing. And then hope you also enjoy this video. And then guys, so that's all for today video. And then so guys, you know that, yeah, so tomorrow it's July 6th, so His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama birthday. And then sure I'm going to show you, and then see you tomorrow. Okay, and then take care. And so it's don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and you can see more video. Okay, and then bye bye and take care, and see you tomorrow video. Bye.